Welcome. Today we will understand ALUS, meaning automatic loading and unloading system in a lyophilizer used in the pharmaceutical industry. We will learn what ALUS is, why it is used, and how it works in sterile manufacturing. So basically, ALUS is automatic loading and unloading system refers to the automated machinery used to transfer vials, trays, or other containers into and out of a lyophilizer that is freeze dryer. Its primary purpose is to eliminate human intervention in sterile or aseptic areas, thereby minimizing contamination risk and complying with stringent pharmaceutical regulations like EU GMP Annex 1. How ALUS works. Filled and partially stopped vials arrive from the filling machine on a conveyor. Step 2. ALUS robotic system pick up the vials or vial trays. Step 3. The system automatically loads the vials onto lyophilizer shelves in a proper arrangement. Step 4. The lyophilization, that is freeze drying cycle, starts. Step 5. After completion of freeze drying cycle, ALUS unloads the dried vials from the shelves. Step 6. Vials are transferred to the capping machine or sealing machine for final sealing. This is how the ALUS system actually looks like. Advantages of automatic loading and unloading system for lyophilizer. Increased efficiency. ALUS system allows fast and consistent operation, improved safety as it minimizes human intervention, contamination control as it helps to maintain sterile conditions or aseptic conditions, and high throughput that it can handle large batch sizes. Main components of lyophilizer ALUS. The main components of automatic loading and unloading system are robotic arm or loading plate, conveyor system, sensors, and control system, that is PLC. Core functions of automatic loading and unloading system are contamination control, high throughput, sterile design, and aseptic compatibility. Automatic loading and unloading systems are engineered with a compliance first design philosophy, considering the requirements as per UGMP Annex 1 and 21 CFR Part 11.